Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss lactose intolerance. So what is lactose intolerance? Lactose intolerance is a condition in which you have bloating, diarrhea and gas after consuming food and drinks that contains lactose. So if you consume any food or drinks that contain lactose, you will feel bloating, you will have diarrhea and gas. Then this condition will be called lactose intolerance. So what is lactase? What is lactose? Lactose is a simple disaccharide sugar, and this disaccharide sugar is made up of simply galactose plus glucose, and there is a requirement of enzyme that is called lactase for breakdown or for digestion of this lactose. So this lactase causes breakdown of this lactose into galactose plus glucose, which is further digested. So if any person which do not have this enzyme that is called lactase, in that case, in that person, this lactose is not digested. And if this lactose is not digested, then it will cause bloating, diarrhea and gas. This is called lactose intolerance. In case of mammals, or you can say that in all mammals, we know that mammals have mammary glands, and female of mammals feed their offspring through these mammary glands, and milk is produced. In these mammary glands, and in milk lactose is present. Every offspring of mammal have lactase in its gut, but if they have lactase, then they can digest this lactose. But when they grown up, this lactase start disappearing from their gut, and any mammals, any adult mammal cannot digest milk because this lactase is not present in the intestine of that adult mammal. But in case of humans, humans are only mammal which have lactase enzyme inside their gut during their lifetime. Humans are the only mammal which have lactase enzyme. So this lactase enzyme is produced by LTC gene, and in all mammals, after you can say offspring are grown up, this gene is shut down. So if this gene is shut down, then this lactase enzyme is not produced, so they cannot digest milk. But in most humans, it is it remains active throughout their life cycle. So they can digest milk throughout their life. But in some humans, this gene becomes inactive. And if this gene becomes inactive, then enzyme lactase is not produced. If enzyme lactase is not there, then they cannot digest this lactose. And this problem is called lactose intolerance. So it is caused by absence of lactose intolerance is caused by absence of enzyme lactase. When enzyme lactase is not present in gut, then this lactose is not digested and it causes problem. So this is lactose intolerance. Lactose intolerance is simply a condition in which you have bloating, diarrhea and gas after consuming food, drinks that contain lactose. And we know that lactose is present in milk and other dairy products. All mammals, in the young ones, or you can say offspring of all mammals, have enzyme lactase so that they can digest milk, and when they grown up, this lactase is disappeared from their gut because the gene LTC becomes shut down or it becomes inactive. But in case of humans are the only mammals in which this gene remain active throughout their life. But in some humans, it becomes inactive. When it becomes inactive, that means they cannot digest milk, because in milk there is a lactose, simple disaccharide sugar, and enzyme lactase is required for digestion of this lactose. So it causes problem, and that is called lactose intolerance.